For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Microsoft Edge app that won't open in Windows 11. First thing you need to do is to open Task Manager by searching it on the search box. Then click on Task Manager. In the Details tab, find Edge processes with the Edge icon. Right-click on any one of them and Process Tree. Make sure that there are no Edge processes left running. Now search and open for Microsoft Edge again. If the issue persists, right-click on Start, go to Settings, then go to the Apps, and click Apps and Features, and then search for Microsoft Edge. Then select Modify, and choose Repair. After repairing, try opening Edge again, and your problem should now be fixed. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.